Hello everyone. So we are analyzing the UPSC Prelims 2026 paper. So the paper was definitely lengthy and it was on the tough side. Right? अगर हम environment की बात करें, so I observed certain trends that were broken and certain trends actually that were introduced, you can say. So for example, the trend जैसे कि species से हमेशा questions पूछे जाते हैं. So I think in this paper also there was question on the western Pollock gibbons, and similarly there was a question on the orchid, right? About the orchid, right? It is unlike foxtail orchid. Okay, and the statements were like again जैसे पहले भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं. For example, ये epiphytic orchid है, ये species endemic है या नहीं to the northeastern India. Similarly, for the western Pollock gibbon also, they asked a question that where it is like, is it a sanctuary? Northeast India is home to this ape species, and they have introduced the statements like we have done it earlier also. Okay, like for example, for the elephants question, they have done in one of the years that they like the group. Okay, the social aspect. Similarly, they have specialized brachiation and then easily swing between trees. Right. कुछ easy questions भी थे, कुछ conceptual और static questions भी थे. For example, the question on the mangrove ecosystems. Also, the topics like national parks that is always recommended to be prepared. There was a question the Madhav National Park, another question from the Amur falcons, but this question was mainly, you can say, analytical. Climate change, yes, obviously it had questions from its share in this paper as well. Okay, the emissions, etc. There were certain questions which are very direct from the current affairs and the schemes like the Rainfed Area Development Initiative. Okay, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, Global Geopark by UNESCO in 2025. It was a direct and a factual question. Which analytical questions we थे, for example, the certification, that is Oikotex certification for the Eri silk. तो इसके क्या advantages होंगे, okay, for the Indian textile or the global textile industry. So I think this question was like, can be done on the basis of analysis. Right. And some new things that were introduced. For example, the question on the aspect of India's long-term low-emission development strategy. Again, it had 3 statements, and then इसमें reasoning involved थी. Not just आपको knowledge, but आपको reason भी करना पड़ेगा, because statement is saying like empirically support हो रहा है, contradict हो रहा है or not. But I can say that like from seeing the paper, the number of questions were drastically reduced from last year, and also the previous years just 9 questions. That is very less. But yeah, certain questions were doable. So I hope aspirants must have done like their best in this section as well. We are analyzing the next subjects in the following series, so stay updated. Thank you.